Let's see how you can sell on P2P. So once you log into your Binance account, click on the bottom right corner, wallets, so that you click on whatever token or coin that you want to sell. So for this case, I want to sell the UTK that I have here. So click on UTK, click on trade, then I want to sell. Okay, so make sure this here isn't toggled limit, because a limit means you want to sell at a future price, whichever price that you're going to pick, okay, or whichever price that will be indicated there if you don't change the price. So for us, we want to sell it right now, so click on markets, and 100% of the UTK I have, then I'll click sell. So immediately, because I was trading the UTK USDT, I'll have my USDT in my account. So I'll go back to my wallet, then you'll see that I no longer have UTK, now I have USDT. So now we'll transfer USDT from my spot wallet, because for me to have the money, to be able to get money in my M-Pesa, the USDT needs to be in my funding account, so that I can be able to sell it to receive money in my M-Pesa. So we're going to transfer this from the spot wallet to funding wallet. Then we're going to change from BTC to USDT, then click maximum, confirm transfer. Once you do that, you'll see now you no longer have USDT here. Your USDT has been transferred to your funding wallets, as you can see there. So next, what you have to do is go to P2P. You go to sell, and you're going to see all the merchants and their offers, okay? But since we're only selling $10 worth of USDT, that is about just a bit over 1,000 Kenya shillings. So we can just, instead of scrolling to find the merchant that is selling within your range, you can just go and set up a filter here. You want to receive M-Pesa, you can click the region, all regions, and then you can set up a specific amount. I want to sell 1,000 worth of USDT. So once you do that, just click confirm. And you'll now see all the merchants that are selling to you within your range of 1,000 Kenya shillings, right? So at this point, you're the one who is going to have to select whichever merchants you're comfortable with. Check out the number of trades they've done, their completion rates, and you can also check up. You can also check the payment window, because some of them take, as you can see, this one takes 15 minutes, some of them take 30 minutes, some of them take 45 minutes. So in order for you to be able to have a faster transaction, make sure you check the payment window of the particular merchant, and if you're comfortable with that, you just initiate a transaction. Okay, so for this case, we see Rashoto here has a good rate, so you can start a transaction with them. So click yeah, the payment window is good, so we can start a trade. You can enter your quantity here. You can decide to sell all USDT. You'll receive 1,276. You can change the price here also. If you don't want all USDT, you can just decide you want to sell 10 USDT without the decimals or whatever it is. But in any case, you can also just adjust the amount here. If you sell 9 USDT, still you have more than the 1,000 that you had indicated. If you sell 8 USDT, you see you're a bit below, so 8.5, you'll be within the range. All right, so let's just sell all the USDT that we have. Then payment method, want to select M-Pesa, and then just sell with 0 fee. And now we just have to wait for the merchant to send us the money. You can also check the chat section here, where they say you can call them in case of any delay. So this is very safe and secure. So if you see that they're delaying, just give them a call, 205-124-08. So now we're waiting for Rashid to make his payment, and then he will mark as paid from his end. And then once he has done that, from our end, we will the payment received button will be activated. It will turn yellow. You'll just see that in a moment once the money is received. Good, now you can see that I've received my payment. Let's just check that. You've received 1276, that is my M-Pesa. 1276, he has marked the payments. See, the buyer has marked P2P order as paid. So from our end, the button has been activated, payment received. So we will click on that once we confirm that the amount is the correct one. So payment received. I have received the correct amount of payment, then confirm. And we'll have to send our verification code if you've set up that. And then we're going to paste that code. Then the transaction is done and you now have your money in your M-Pesa.